been negative for quite some time. It has been nearly 10 to 11 days. We have not seen a single close above the prior day high. And there is some attempt on the upside today. So let's see if that fizzles out or it's just temporary. I think 15,190 is going to be a very important level. If that is taken out, then further downside towards 14,800 can be witnessed. And I would not buy this market right now because the broader market is selling off. We can clearly see stock specific selling. The metals are under pressure, oils are under pressure. So a lot of selling has been seen across the board. And it's only the defensive that is helping index to sustain at these levels. So move below 15,190 can be an opportunity to sell for a target of 14,800 levels. On the upside, major hurdle at 15,500.
Okay. Ashish, what about individual stocks? So we're seeing a lot of names, right? Whether it's the FMCG names, whether it's the IT names, there's a bit of a pullback. Do you think that's just a dead cat bounce? Will it get sold into? Or do you think there's genuinely some sort of a bottom being formed in some of these spaces like IT and FMCG?
From the individual perspective, if you look at the defensive space, when I talk about FMCG, that's a defensive sector. And we have seen that whenever the broader market collapses, there is selling across, this defensive sector manages to outperform. So there is relative outperformance we can expect in Hindustan Unilever and Nestle and stocks. So from my first Hindustan Unilever, we can see that FMCG has already might be completing long-term down move, which we have seen over past 1 year or so, and might start to show some kind of an upward tick. So one can create long position in Hindustan Unilever, keeping a stop loss of 2050 for the targets of 2400 or possibly much higher. And this is to be a much broader rally in the FMCG space that I'm expecting over the next 6 months that can happen. And the next stock is on the sell side is SAIL. We can see a huge selling in the metal space, and SAIL has been a very big performer within the space. So there is a possibility it can continue to fall towards the level of 60.50. Stop loss has to be maintained at 67.50.
Okay. Any disclosures that you want to give us?
I do not have any holdings in the stocks, and we are separate research analysts.
All right. Got that. Thanks a lot, Ashish, for joining in. So that's the word coming in on the tech.